Good afternoon, dear students. The angle between I plus j plus k and I minus j minus k. Cos theta is equal to a bar dot b bar. A bar dot b bar means ax bx 1 plus ay by minus 1 plus az bz minus 1 divided by root 3 into root 3. So cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 3, but the answer is not there in terms of cos. Therefore we should check it with sine. We know that sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. This is equal to 1 minus 1 by 9. Therefore it is 8 by 9. Okay. So sine theta is equal to root 8 by 3. Theta is equal to sine inverse root 8 by 3. This is answer to this first question, root 8 by 3. Second question, a vector perpendicular to I plus 2j and having magnitude I plus 2j. New vector is perpendicular to this one and having magnitude 3 root 5. First check magnitude. Magnitude of A is root 9 plus 25, root 9 plus 25 root 34. But the given vector magnitude, required vector magnitude is root 45. Root 45 means second option is correct. 6i minus 3j. 36 plus 9, 45. 9 5s, root 45. The magnitude of this also root 45. Root 45. First vector is also having root 45. For 3i plus 6j also it is root 45. So out of these two, one is correct. Now check which one is correct. So out of any one of this one is perpendicular to this one. So perpendicular to this one means this is 6i minus 3j, dot product 6 into 1 6, okay, plus minus 3 into 2 6. This is equal to 0. Perpendicular means dot product is 0 na. So 6i minus 3j is correct answer. Option B is correct nana. Option B is correct. Third one, A bar is 2i plus 3j, B bar is 2j plus 3k. B bar is 2j plus 3k. Now the component of B bar along A bar. A bar dot B bar by B. A bar dot B bar by B nana. Sorry, A bar dot B bar by A along A bar. A bar dot B bar by A, the component of B bar along A bar. Now the answer is A bar dot B bar 2 into 2 4 plus 3 into 3 9. Okay, 13. Sorry. I is 0 in the second vector nana. I is not there. Therefore J into J dot J 1 3 into 2 6 divided by modulus of A 4 plus 9 root 13. So 6 by root 13. Option D is correct. Next, the magnitude of scalar product and vector product are 48 root 3 144. So AB cos theta by AB sin theta is equal to dot product 48 root 3 by 144. 48 3 nana root 3. Therefore tan theta is sin theta by cos theta, reciprocal of this one. Tan theta is root 3 by 1 root 3. Theta is equal to 60 degrees. Theta is equal to 60. Next, fifth one nana. The area of triangle whose adjacent sides are represented by 4i plus 3j plus 4k and 5i. Area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to half of modulus of A bar cross B bar. So first find out A bar cross B bar, Nana. It is determinant of 3 by 3 vector I, J, K and 4, 3, 4. A bar coefficients 4, 3, 4 and 5. These two are zeros. Okay. This is equal to I into 0, 3 into 0, 4 into 0. Next to minus j into 0, 4, 0, 5, 4, 20, minus 20. Plus k into 0, 4, 0, 5, 3, minus 15. Okay, Nana. So this is 20j minus 15k. Magnitude of this vector is, magnitude of A bar cross B bar is equal to 25, Nana. Root 400 plus 225. Root 625, 25. Now area is equal to half into A bar cross B bar, that is 12.5. 12.5 units square, Nana. Next, A bar is given as 2i plus 3j minus 4k. B bar is equal to 3i minus 4j plus 5k. A bar 2i minus 3j, 2i plus 3j minus 4k, 2i plus 3j minus 4k, 2i plus 3j minus 4k. B bar is 3i minus 4j plus 5k. A bar plus B bar is equal to I, j, k, 2, 3, minus 4, 3, minus 4, 5. This is equal to I into 5 3 is 15, minus 4 into 4, 16, Nana. Okay, 2, 3, minus 4 and next to 3i minus 4j plus 5k. I into 3 5 is 15 minus 4 into 4 plus 16. Okay. Next minus j into 2 5 is 10 plus 3 4 is 12 plus k into minus 8 minus 9. This is equal to minus I cap minus 22 j cap minus 17 k cap. Minus I minus 22j minus 17k. Option A is correct, Nana. Option A is correct, Nana, for sixth one. Seventh one, a vector A points vertically upward, B points towards south. So first of all, fingers upwards, next south means like this. So answer is east, Nana. For seventh one, answer is east. Use right hand thumb rule. Next, eighth one. Two stones are dropped from the top of a tower at an interval of 3 seconds. The relative velocity of the first stone with respect to second stone at any instant, Nana. There is a time difference 3 seconds. Therefore, V2 bar minus V1 bar is equal to Nana G into T plus 3 bar 3 minus G into T. So this is equal to Nana 3G. The time interval between them is 3 seconds. 3G is answer. Next, ninth one, Nana. A train of length 200 meter traveling at a speed 30 overtakes another train of length 300 meter traveling at 20. So time taken is equal to total distance 500 by 30 minus 20 relative speed, Nana. That is equal to 500 by 10. This is equal to 50 seconds. 10th one, Nana. Find the speed of two objects. When they move uniformly towards each other, they get 4 meter close in every 10 seconds. In every second, when they move uniformly in the same direction with their original speeds, they get 4 meter closer every 10 seconds, Nana. So when they are moving opposite, VA plus VB is equal to 4 meters per second and opposite same direction VA minus VB is equal to 4 meters per 10 second means 0.4 meter per second. Add 2VA is equal to 4.4, VA is equal to 2.2 nana, VB is equal to 1.8. So 2.2 comma 1.8 are correct answers to this question. Next, a stone is projected from the ground with a velocity 14 meters per second. 1 second later it clears a wall of 2 meter high. So 11th one, y is equal to u sin theta into t minus half gt square nana. Y is given as 2 meter, that is equal to 14 sin theta into 1 second minus half into g 10 into 1 square. 14 sin theta is equal to 7 nana, sin theta is equal to 1 by 2, theta is equal to 30 degrees. 12th one nana, a body is projected with a velocity 24 meters per second making an angle 30. The vertical component of velocity Vy is equal to nana uy minus gt nana. This is equal to 24 sin 30 minus 10 into how many seconds? 2 seconds. 24 sin 30 means 12 minus 20 minus 8 meters per second. That means 8 meters per second downward nana. 8 meters per second downward. Next nana, 13, the horizontal vertical displacements are x is equal to 12t and y is equal to 16t minus 5t square nana. Now what is the maximum height? H max is equal to uy square by 2g nana. U square sin square theta by 2g. Uy is 16 square 256 by 20. 256 by 20. 256 by 20 means 12.8 meters. This is equal to 16 nana 256. 256 by u square by 2g na. Here it is half g is 5, g is equal to 10. That is equal to 256 by 20, 25.6 by 2, that is equal to 12.8. Fourteenth one nana. Equation of trajectory is y is equal to 10x minus 5 by 9x square nana. Range of projectile is a by b 10 by 5 by 9, that is equal to 5 2 into 9 18 meters nana. 15th one nana. 15th one, the horizontal and vertical displacements are x is equal to 6t, y is equal to 8t minus 5t square nana. What is the initial velocity? The range of the projectile. Range of the projectile is 2ux uy by g nana. 2 into 6 into 8 by 10. 9.6 meter. This is 96 nana. 8 6 48 2 96. Okay, 96 by 10 9.6 meter nana. Next, two projectiles are projected with same velocity but angle of projection is 35-55. They are complementary angles. So ranges are in the ratio 1:1 nana. Ranges are in the ratio 1:1 because they are complementary angles. 17 one. The potential energy of a projectile at its maximum height is equal to kinetic energy there nana. Kinetic energy there. The potential energy of projectile at maximum height is equal to kinetic energy there. Okay, mg into u square sin square theta by 2g is equal to potential energy there. Kinetic energy there means half m u square cos square theta nana. M gets cancelled. Here g gets cancelled. 2 cancel. U square cancel. Sin square theta is cos square theta nana. Theta is equal to 45 degrees. So time of flight is 2u sin theta by g. That is equal to 2 into what is velocity nana 20. 2 into 20 into 1 by root 2. Sin 45 by 10 nana. 10 2's. Okay, this is 1 by root 2. 2 cancels 2 times, that is equal to 2 root 2 nana. Okay. Next, maximum vertical height and horizontal range are same. The angle of projection. By equating range formula and H formula, you will get theta is equal to tan inverse 4 nana. Tan inverse 4. By equating these two formulas, you will get the answer tan inverse 4. Next, a body is projected with a certain speed of at an angle of projection theta and 90 minus theta. The maximum height attained in two cases are 20, 10. The maximum possible range is. The maximum possible range is 90. So we know that h1 plus h2 is equal to u square by 2g nana. U square by g is maximum possible range. So R maximum is equal to 2 into 30, that is equal to 60 meter. Next, 20th one nana. 20th one is two bodies are thrown with the same velocity at angles alpha 90 minus alpha to the horizontal. What is the ratio of the maximum heights? So h1 by h2 is equal to nana sin square theta by sin square 90 minus theta. Remaining same, u square sin square theta by 2g lo, u square by 2g same. So it is sin square 90 minus theta. This is equal to cos square theta. So answer is tan square theta nana. Next, 21. A bar and B bar are given nana. The magnitude of vector perpendicular to both A bar and B bar has magnitude k times that of 6i plus 2j minus 3k. Then k is, answer is 7 nana. Answer is 7. 22. The value of m if I bar plus 2j bar minus 3k cap is parallel to 3i plus mj minus 9k nana. The formula is ax by bx is equal to ay by by is equal to az by bz nana. This is for parallel vectors. Therefore, the answer is answer is 6 nana. Therefore, answer is 6. Next, 23 nana. 23. If the vectors are perpendicular to each other, then positive value of a nana. Vectors are perpendicular to each other means a bar dot b bar is equal to 0 nana. Here a bar dot b bar is a into a square minus 2a minus 3 is equal to 0. So a square minus 3a plus a minus 3 is equal to 0. So a take common, a minus 3 plus 1 common, a minus 3 is 0. Positive value means a is equal to 3 nana. 24. 24 is a stone is dropped freely while another stone is vertically downward with an initial velocity from same point simultaneously. The time required by them to have a separation nana. Separation is equal to ut plus half gt square for first, second one nana, for first one half gt square minus half gt square separation. Therefore substitute u value nana, u is 2. Therefore t is equal to 22 by 2, that is equal to 11 seconds nana. Next, 25th one nana. 25th one is height and horizontal distance are given. Velocity is equal to root over 8 square plus 6 square nana. First one is compared with ut my u sin theta into t minus half gt square. Y is equal to, second one is equal to x is u cos theta into t. Now v is equal to 10 meter per second nana. This is a solution to this today's paper. Bye.